So we have to first get you figuring out why you're anxious. What is the feeling? What is the sensation or lack of sensation that is making you anxious and causing you fear? What is it? Can you name it?
And we often can identify some things that suggest that there is inflammation, and we can say we think that this is related to inflammation. We don't know because we don't have X-ray vision or
It would be cool if we
CT
did.
vision.
Cool.
It would. It would. But we can usually figure things out just by asking the right questions.
Yep, we can.
So
Sensory is so important.
it is.
It tells us so many things. It's how it gets our brain awake and then talking to the rest of our body.
Yeah. So in our membership today, I said, the more you know, to someone who is here.